4 City.
223.
I'm back on our troop. I've got that vehicle. I'll initiate a traffic stop at the 28, but it's already traveling 120 miles an hour.
10-4.
What's your 20? To 25, what's your 20?
Southbound. And northbound.
10-4. We'll go ahead and initiate a traffic stop. D23, 4 City, 1024.
823, not everything.
I'll be at the 28 southbound. It's going to be Pennsylvania, Lincoln, Victor, Edward, 5001, LVE 5001. Current speed's 112.
1063, D23, speed 112.
D53.
Passing the 27 southbound, 106.
Yeah, 27 southbound, 106.
Looks like a single occupant.
Single occupant.
Traffic is light.
Traffic light.
Passing the 26.
Passing the 26.
Coming up to the 55 555 split.
Coming up to 55, 55 split.
Scene at this time change. Pursuit.
Miles an hour. Passing the 23A exit.
Passing 23A, 115 miles an hour.
Set up spikes somewhere. Trying to get to a 14. D5, D25, I'll pull up behind you. Get there to 14 with you and intercept them.
We're coming up to the 21. TBI here.
Coming up to the 21.
TBI.
TBI.
He's on the service road now.
On the service road.
He stopped. Felony takedown.
Felony takedown.
You gonna move with me? Show me your hands! Come towards me! He's coming towards us. He's in the ditch right now. Hey!
Coming towards you, he's in the
Walk towards me! Look at the bright flashing light at you! Walk towards me! I said walk towards me, not in the ditch! Get in the water! Walk towards me! Look to your left. See the bright light in front of you? Yeah. Walk towards it. D23, he is being compliant at this time. Walking towards me.
Walking towards D23.
No, walk towards me. Straight to me. Yeah, you can. You're already wet. What does it matter now? No, walk towards me. Information. I got C30 out with me as well. Come on. Come on.
30 is 1097 as well.
Pull your pants up. Yes, you can. Brother, you about to get a taser, and it's going to hurt like hell in that water. Get your ass up here now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get up here to the pavement. Right here on the pavement.
2597.
All right, on the ground. On the ground. Don't give us a reason to. Don't give us a reason to, yeah?
I'm not. I called y'all earlier.
What'd you call us for?
Some guy was trying to harm me.
Some guy was trying to hump you?
Harm me.
Harm you. Okay. D23, 1015.
10:15, 9:13 p.m.
All right. Brother, what are you fleeing for? What are you fleeing for? What are you?
10:41.
Why are you trying to
9:13.
flee? Get away from us.
I didn't see y'all before.
You didn't. Brother, I've been behind you.
I called y'all earlier.
Okay. So if you called us, why are you running from us?
Y'all was trying to make me.
23, clear the net.
All right.
Stand up. I got you. Hold on.
D5, 4 City, I'm going to be 97.
10:45, 9:13.
Yeah.
The other guy, he ran, he was driving.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, the other guy. Where was the other guy sitting?
He was ducking down.
He was ducking down. How was he driving then?
Do you have a 1016 route?
Getting one started.
Okay, I don't know if there's any complaint of injuries, but we got airbag deployment all the way around.
Okay, boy.
So which side of the vehicle did you get out of?
Is he wearing shoes?
One of them came off. When did it come off? Did it come off down in the ditch? Yeah, thank you. I don't think you can smoke those anymore.
1019.
Yeah, it's $1.
Come up
I'll find it.
the West Service Road. We're going to be just north of the 21.
1915.
Where'd you get the car? Somebody else gave it to you. Man, I've had some pretty good friends, but I've never had one give me a car.
To the 23.
Get in. Good.
We've got enough personnel here. If you're ready to transport, you can transport, just get him checked out at the jail, if that's what you'd rather do.
10-4. Yeah, I'll have him checked out.
Of course, you copy that. Just have him meet him at the Solid Fork.